Welcome to another WizzWatch. This is your host Marlon Roll. Today is Sunday, September 27, 2009. As we prepare for trading on Monday, September 28th, I have a few penny stocks for you to keep on your watch list for possible price moves in the week ahead. The first stock out the gate is stock symbol PTSC. That's Patriot Scientific Corp, which trades on the OTC bulletin board. And if you have a close look at this chart right here in the volume area, you'll notice that the stock ended the day trading with lighter than average volume on the upside, but we need to see heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock, as the stock ended trading on Friday with volume of about 1.48 million, and the average daily volume is basically 2.56 million. So we need to see heavier than average volume above 2.56 million in order to take this stock a lot higher. And we are also looking for a break of the pivot point right here between 33 cents to 38 cents in order to take the stock to the upside. But the stock ended the day on Friday trading at 29 cents, up 3 cents, or 13.73%. So please keep Patriot Scientific, stock symbol PTSC, on your watch list for possible price moves to the upside in trading on Monday. Stock is stock symbol BNTNF. That's Bonton Corp Incorporated, which trades on the OTC bulletin board. And if you have a close look at this chart in the volume area, you notice that the stock ended the day trading with lighter than average volume to the upside on Friday. And this is very light volume that has been coming to the stock as the stock has been moving to the downside, so that is a good sign, basically because that isn't any heavy volume if you look right in this area right here. So we need to see heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock above the average daily of about 196,000, and we are also looking for a break of the pivot point right here between 32 cents to 35 cents in order to take the stock a lot higher. But like I mentioned, we need to see heavier than average volume comes to the price of the stock, and the stock ended trading on Friday at 28 cents, up 4 cents, or 16.67% on the upside. The next stock to keep a close eye on for a possible price move to the upside is stock symbol LGDI. That's Legend International Holdings, which trades on OTC bulletin board. And if you have a close look at this chart right here in the volume area, you'll notice that the stock did end the day trading with lighter than average volume on the upside, but we need to see heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock above the average daily of about 1.14 million, as the stock ended the day trading on Friday with volume of about 763,451. But if you have a close look right here at the pivot point area, we need to see a break of about $1.02 to $1.07 in order to take this stock a lot higher, as the stock ended trading on Friday at 92 cents, up 11 cents, or 13.58% on the upside. Next up is Stem Cell Therapy International Corp, which trades on OTC under stock symbol SCII. And the stock had a monster run on Friday, up about 41%. And what we are looking for, if you have a close look in the volume area, is heavy volume coming into the price of the stock, in which we got on Friday. But we need to see continued heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock above the average daily of about 975,000. And the stock ended the day trading on Friday with volume of about 2.4 million. And what we need to see as well is a price break of the pivot point between 51 cents to 56 cents in order to take SCII, the Stem Cell Therapy, a lot higher. And the stock ended the day trading on Friday at 36 cents, up 10 cents, or 41.54% to the upside. Next up is stock symbol EDWY. That's eDoorways Corp, which trades on the pink sheets. And if you have a close look at this chart in the volume area, you notice that the stock did end the day trading on the upside with lighter than average volume, but we need to see heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock as well, above the average daily of about 4.7 million. And the stock ended the day trading with 3.7 million volume on Friday. But also we need to see a break of the pivot point right here between 9 cents and 9.5 cents in order to take the stock a lot higher, as the stock ended the day trading on Friday at 8 cents, up 0.009, or 11.25% to the upside. So please keep eDoorways, stock EDWY, on your watch list for possible price moves to the upside and trading on Monday. Last but not least is stock symbol NGHI. That's Nevada Gold Holdings, which trades on the OTC bulletin board. And if you have a close look at this chart right here in the volume area, you notice that the stock did end the day with heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock above the average daily at about 633,000, as the stock ended with a volume of 654,000. And what do we need to see is a break of the pivot point right here between 17 cents and 22 cents in order to take the stock a lot higher to the upside, as the stock ended the day trading at 14 cents, up 0.006, or 4.32% to the upside. So please keep Nevada Gold Holdings, stock symbol NGHI, as well as the other stocks that I mentioned, on your watch list for possible price moves to the upside. Thank you again for listening to another WizzWatch. Have a great day and happy trading. This has been another WizzWatch presentation. These stocks are not buy recommendations. Please do your own due diligence or get help from a professional before trading.